Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. Based on our best guesses, the outside of the 2025 Caterpillar Motorhome EV Idea would probably have powerful lines, materials that seem durable, maybe with accents of composite or strong steel, and a style that exudes sturdiness. Most likely, one of the primary color selections, or at the very least, an accent, will be Caterpillar's iconic yellow. LED lights with a practical style that may have been influenced by industrial lights for large machinery. Integrated port for charging. The electric charging port is concealed by a smooth design. The EV will probably have big off-road tires and considerable ground clearance because Caterpillar is known for its ability to handle a variety of terrains. The addition of solar panels to the top to aid in battery charging might be an intriguing feature for an electric car that is probably intended for outdoor excursions. A strong winch, a robust roof rack to store additional equipment, and a heavy-duty access ladder are probably included. There will be an attempt to improve aerodynamics for electric range economy, even though the motorhome's boxy design may be maintained to maximize inside room. Aerodynamic wheel coverings or a sleeker front fascia design are two examples of this. Strong, practical industrial design features will probably be used throughout the inside given Caterpillar's heritage as a heavy equipment manufacturer. The use of sturdy materials, simple designs, and a focus on functionality might all be signs of this. Materials like scratch-resistant composites or thick rubber may be used for flooring. Strong composite materials or textured metal panels can be used for walls and ceilings. Yellow, black, and gray typical kit colors will probably dominate the interior color scheme, maybe with strikingly contrasting accents. The interior design of this RV will probably be modular and easily adaptable because to its probable use in a range of situations, such as severe or off-grid working areas. Foldable or transforming furniture with several uses would be advantageous. The cabin of a contemporary electric RV will undoubtedly be furnished with cutting-edge technology. A large touchscreen infotainment system, internet access, centralized control over lighting, temperature, and electricity in the car and house, and interaction with smart applications are all included. An essential component will be an advanced power management system with a dedicated display to track battery power use, charging condition, and solar panel output if any. Energy efficiency will be maximized using an intelligent power management system, ambient lighting that can be adjusted to create various moods, and bright LED lighting for activities. The inside would probably have large capacity fresh and dirty water tanks, effective heating and cooling systems, and maybe a dry toilet or composting system because of the possibility of remote usage. Well thought out storage spaces with a safe locking mechanism for camping supplies, outdoor equipment, and other possessions while traveling. Even if ruggedness is emphasized, comfort will still be taken into account. There will still be cozy bedrooms, practical dining spaces, and ergonomic seats made of materials that are easy to clean.